I want to talk to you about a new exciting technology called BodyTite. And BodyTite is a technology that uses radiofrequency energy to be able to not only get rid of unwanted fat, but to get help with tightening up loose skin. And I think most of us have things like that we need. And so I think it's one of those things that we want to really consider how we can be able to treat those different areas of your body. And so BodyTite uses a probe like this. It has two components to it. It has an internal probe and it has an external probe that sits on the surface of the skin. Now this allows me to be able to deliver energy to the fat layer that travels between these two probes, so I can be able to not only get rid of unwanted fat, but tighten skin. Now this might be great to be able to treat your abdomen. It might be great on your arms or your thighs or your back or anywhere where we have a lot of excess skin or loose skin. Either way, to get rid of the fat that you don't want and the skin that you don't want, this can be able to deliver that energy in a way that's going to give you a great outcome. Now, sometimes I find that people want to do things with their face and neck. And so in that situation, it lets me be able to use the FaceTight probe. Now this is obviously a lot smaller. I can use a much smaller incision, but I can use this to be able to tighten skin on the neck, tighten skin in the cheeks of the face. And so it really is a nice, effective way to be able to help people rejuvenate their face without having the downtime of a facelift. Now, the newest part of this technology that's become available to us is something called Accutite. And this is something I'm very excited about. This has gotten obviously even smaller yet. And with Accutite, I can be able to deliver this probe through only a needle hole. And this allows me to treat really small focused areas for you. It might be focused for an area maybe in the jowls. It might be focused on even your eyelids. So I've used this to tighten up lower eyelids or upper eyelids or just other small focused areas where we don't even really have to even make an incision. We just have to barely break the skin to make this work. But this technology is an exciting way for us to be able to tighten skin and get rid of unwanted fat in a non-surgical way, and there's tons of applications for it. And so if you have an interest in something that you want to get rid of or tighten up, and you really don't want to have the downtime of surgery, this just might be the right thing for you.